Good morning, grade 3. Welcome to science class. Learners, in the previous session, we have read about the beaks of pigeon, peacock, eagle, and hawk. Now, we will read about the beaks of another birds. Which type of beaks they have. Okay? Hummingbird and sunbird have long and pointed beaks to drink nectar from flowers. Pointed means having a point. And nectar, what is nectar? Is sweet liquid. Nectar is a sweet liquid. We can see here hummingbird and sunbird. They have long beaks. Okay. Water birds like duck and goose have broad and flat beaks with tiny holes on either side. Either side means both sides. The holes allow muddy water to flow out, leaving the insects and plants inside. Muddy means dirty with mud. Yes, we can see here duck and goose. They have holes in both the sides of their beaks. Okay. Now, parrot has short and curved beak to crack nuts and seeds. Look the beak of parrot. This is curved beak. Now, woodpecker has a strong pointed and chisel-like beak to make holes in tree trunks and pull out insects. Pointed means, as we know, having a point. And chisel-like, chisel is a tool. So, woodpecker is able to make holes in trunks of trees. Have you seen the holes in the trees, learners? Look here, woodpecker. Okay. Now next, cuckoo has long, slender and pointed beak to pull out insects from flowers and holes in the ground. Slender means gracefully thin. Cuckoo. Cuckoo is a colorful bird. We can see here. Now, we will read about the feet and claws of the different birds. Okay? Birds have 2 feet with claws. They use their feet to walk, hop, or swim. They also use their feet to catch and hold their food. Different birds have different types of feet with claws. Understand? Now we will read about different birds. First is perching birds. Like pigeon, sparrow and crow sit on trees or wires. Perching means to hold branches or wires and sit over them. They hold the branches or wires with their claws. They have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. We can see here perching bird sitting here and claws of a perching bird. A perching bird is a bird with feet adapted for perching, as on trees' branches. Flesh-eating birds like eagle, vulture, and owl have very sharp and curved claws called talons. Talons are used to catch their prey. See, flesh-eating birds, and these are talons. Talons. Talons is a claw, especially one belonging to a bird of prey. Okay. Next is scratching birds. Scratching birds are like hens use their claws to scratch and dig the ground to find worms. Scratching bird. Yes. Look the claws of scratching bird. This is hen. Next is climbing bird. Climbing birds are like woodpecker and parrot use their toes to climb trees. They have two toes pointing in upward direction and two toes pointing in downward direction. These toes help them to hold on to trees and climb up. Yes, here we can see climbing bird and its claws. Now, wading birds like herons and cranes have long legs with straight out paws. Wading means to walk through water. These toes help them to walk through water in search of food. Herons. Herons are large bird which has long legs and a beak and which eats fish. Wading bird we can see here. This is a wading bird. They eat fish. Okay. Next is swimming birds. Like ducks and swans have webbed feet. Front toes of those birds are joined by a skin called web. These feet help them to push water while swimming. Look here, swimming birds. They have webbed feet. What is webbed feet? Webbed feet have a piece of skin between the toes. Learners, you know, some people are born with extra skin between their toes. This is called webbing. Okay. Now we will do the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Birds are wings, fly, beak, claws, direction. Birds have dash to eat food, beaks because they have no teeth. Tail has the birds to change during flight, direction. Birds flap their dash to fly. Yes, wings. Flight feathers help a bird to, tell me learners, fly. Birds have 2 feet with, which is the claws. Okay, right? This exercise has been completed. In the next session, we will read about the necks of the birds. If you have any query, you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.